a man who loved to play, not with toys or games of old, but with burps so loud and bold. He would watch the people walk, waiting for a chance to shock. When they yawn and feel relaxed, he would strike so fast and lax. Burping Bandit on the loose, every yawn he won't refuse. Catch him if you can today, before he burps and runs away. When a stranger yawned so wide, he'd sneak up right by their side, open mouth and then release a throaty burp from hell unleashed. He'd laugh and then he'd run. His burping spree was so much fun, everyone in town would frown at the Burping Bandit clown. Burping Bandit on the loose, every yawn he won't refuse. Catch him if you can today, before he burps and runs away. Every yawn he won't refuse. Catch him if you can today, before he burps and runs away.